Hello students, we are solving the IB Math AA HL past papers and currently we are solving the IB Math AA HL May 2022 paper 1 time zone 2 past paper. Today we will be solving the question number 8 of this paper and you will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlists in my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. So without any further delay, let us start answering question number 8. The maximum mark is 6. It says a continuous random variable x has the probability density function. Now it has given two expressions for f of x, the probability density function. For x values greater than or equal to small a but less than or equal to small c, f of x is having this expression 2 over b minus a times c minus a and whole multiplied by x minus a. And for x values greater than c but less than or equal to b, the f of x function is having this expression 2 over b minus a times b minus c whole multiplied by b minus x. And for all other x values, f of x is equal to 0. And the following diagram shows the graph of y equals f of x for x greater than or equal to a but less than or equal to b. You are seeing for other values of x, f of x is equal to 0. Okay, it is having a non-zero value only in this part. And given that c is greater than or equal to a plus b over 2, find an expression for the median of x in terms of a, b and c. Okay, so they have given two expressions for f of x. We know that we have to integrate and it will be the lower uh, value of x, lowest value of x to the median will be equal to half, or we have to take the median to the highest value of x, non-zero function value, and we have that will also be the integration value will be equal to half, that we know. But which expression should we be taking, the first one or the second one? See, we are saying c is greater than or equal to a plus b over 2. A and b are the two endpoints for the non-zero function value. And it will be, the median will be the midpoint. And c is either equal to a plus b over 2, that is the midpoint between a and b, or greater than a plus b over 2. So doesn't matter whether c is greater than or c is equal to, c is over here, x is less than or equal to c. So even if c is equal to a plus b over 2, this function, this expression is covering x equal to c. If c is greater than or equal to a plus b over 2, even then it is crossing the midpoint. Even then we have to take the first expression. Okay, that is vital. You have to know which expression you should be taking. Since we have selected the expression, now we will be doing the integration. Okay, so it is integration of f of x dx. So I'm taking a to m. I cannot take b to miss m to because b is over here. So I have to take a to m over here for this case. So a to m and f of x will be 2 over b minus a times c minus a whole multiplied by x minus a dx, and this should be equal to half. Okay, and this portion is a constant, so I can take this outside the integration sign. So let me take this out. 2 over b minus a times c minus a, and this is the integration of x minus a, and I am separating them. A to m x dx minus a is a constant, so I'm keeping it outside the integration sign. A to m dx is equal to half. Okay, And what I can do is I can divide, I'm dividing the entire equation by 2 over b minus a times c minus a. Okay. So, and I'm also simultaneously I'm doing the integration. So x when integrated with respect to x, so yeah, with respect to x, it becomes x square over 2. This is a to m and minus a to m. And since I am dividing both sides by 2 over b minus a times c minus a, it is half, and then it will be multiplied with the reciprocal of this. So the b minus a times c minus a, b minus a times c minus a over 2. Okay. So this will be m square over 2, x equal to m square over 2 minus a square over 2, and that is minus am when x equal to m, and minus of minus is plus and x equal to a this time. So it is plus a square will be equal to b minus a times c minus a over 4. Okay. And let let me multiply the entire equation by 2. I cannot get rid of this denominator, but I can get rid of these denominators at least. So I'm multiplying the entire equation by 2, and it is m square minus a square minus 2am plus 2a square should be equal to b minus a times c minus a over 2, because I have multiplied the entire equation by 2, so the 4 changes to 2. Fine. And this is 2a square minus a square is nothing but a square. So what are we having on the left hand side of the equal to sign? M square minus 2am plus a square, which is nothing but m minus a whole square. So I am writing this as m minus a whole square is equal to b minus a times c minus a over 2. And now I am taking the square root of both the sides. So it is, and okay, let me just first of all take the square root. It is m minus a is equal to plus minus square root of b minus a times c minus a over 2. Or m is equal to a plus minus square root of b minus a times c minus a over 2. Now, m cannot have two values. So, either we have to reject the plus or we have to reject the minus sign. Which one should we be rejecting? The median should be having the value more than a, because a is the starting value. Therefore, the expression should be a plus and not a minus. So, we have to reject the a minus. Therefore, I am writing the final expression over here. M is equal to a plus square root of b minus a times c minus a over 2. Okay. Okay, so we have solved this question number 8 completely, and thank you for staying with me till the end. I'm Nilanjana Senial. I'm an online IB Math A, SL, and HL level tutor. I tutor students from both within India and outside India, and I offer both one on one and small group online tutoring sessions to my students. And as you are seeing, currently I am solving the IB Math A, HL past paper questions, and I'm uploading them in the form of videos in my YouTube channel. And in case you're liking my explanations, please do give this video a like and please do share this video with your friends so that even they can get benefited by watching this video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me to make more math videos for you. And in case you have any confusion, any query, please feel free to write to me in the comment section. I'll be trying to clear your doubts. Okay. So we meet again very soon in our next session. We will be solving question number 9 of the same paper. Till then, bye.